can now use AI to swap the colors of your entire website theme. And here we are in the colors area, which you can access by the main menu, click styles, and then colors in the top bar. And the first thing you'll see is our AI color assistant here at the top of the page with AI Sam working in support. So I can type here, "Hi Sam." Okay, cool. Sam is now here waiting to help us whenever we need help. Now you can also get help by the video button here, where you can find this clip and other clips for more comprehensive help from the 5-day challenge and also our help knowledge base. Well, to get started, first I recommend that you drop your logo into the image drop. And if you haven't got a logo, you might have an image with some of your brand guidelines with more of the colors, just like I have here. And you can see our AI color assistant has populated the primary colors and even created extra colors for our neutral, which is an off-white, and our text and divider colors, which are middle grays, which are essential in our color palette. Now, if you want to swap any specific colors, you can use the Find and Replace tool to swap primary colors and then sync them right the way around the website. So to demo, I'll swap the yellow with this bright pink. And if I don't like it, I can swap it back so that I can use it later in the branded color palettes all around the website for things like buttons, borders, backgrounds, and gradients. Locking in your brand color here ensures that all of your team will use your exact brand colors wherever they are around the website, and of course never stray off brand. Now if I want to swap any specific colors, I can do so in the swatches below. For example, I can change the color of the action button and the action button text. And over in the preview, you can see that my changes have been updated. Now there are swatches for everything from products, blogs, right down to member profiles and even member accounts. Now my top tip, please never change your neutral to dark. The neutral is for an off-white. Later, when you create your pages, you can see that many of the layouts come in both light and dark. Plus, you can click the invert button to flip layouts from light to dark, or at least the AI will attempt to flip those from light to dark at any time. Now, I mentioned do not change the neutral to dark because some people think that because your preview is showing a light background, if you swap the neutral to a dark, that will work. Well, it won't. Neutral is for neutral, and neutral is an off-white. Now, this is important to the color algorithm that the AI follows. So one more final thing. If you do need extra colors in your palette, maybe your brand has more than 6 primary colors, then you can use the supporting colors at the bottom of the swatches, and this will add more colors to your color palettes for your team to use around the website and never stray.